Go in the link in the description right now, man. Go check out that Dread Talk. Make sure you purchase it. $5 a month. That's all it is, bro. It's a Patreon. You dig what I'm saying? So if you want to talk about your dreads, if you want to talk about, if you potentially want to get in the video too, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start doing that with the people in my Dread Talk community. So yeah, man. First link in the description. Don't miss out on it. Dread Talk, $5 a month. That's all it is, nigga. What? That's not. Hold up. What it is? A fucking McDonald's meal, nigga. A McDonald's meal. One McDonald's meal a month, nigga. But anyways, today I'm gonna be talking about sleeping, like going to sleep with my dreads, this and that and the third. A lot of y'all be asking me about do-rags and this and that and the third. Y'all gotta understand, bro. First off, we're in two different positions. You get what I'm saying? Like me and you, we're in two different positions. Like no human is in the same position. You get what I'm saying? Like we have different lives. So with saying that, just because I sleep without my do-rag, it don't make you sleep without your do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't do everything I do, especially because I'm like 1 year and 8 months into this, and y'all probably like 6 months, you know what I'm saying? Most of y'all probably got started dreads and this and that third. So, just because I sleep without my do-rag, that don't make you sleep without your do-rag. You get what I'm saying? Alright, so look, that brings me to my first point. My first point is I sleep without no do-rag. You feel me? I sleep without no do-rag because first off, I want to. Second of all, my dreads are already locked, so I can I can do whatever the fuck I want to if you want to be technical. You know what I'm saying? But don't sleep without the do-rag. Y'all already know we got the notes on our phone. You know what I'm saying? Don't play with a nigga. But don't sleep without a do-rag if you like 6 months into it, stuff like that, bro. Don't sleep without no do-rag, bro, because if you more than likely if you 6 months into it, then your hair is gonna come unraveled. You get what I'm saying? So don't sleep without no do-rag if you 6 months. I would say even a year to be 100 with you. If you ain't even a year, don't even. But like the thing about me was after 6 months I was sleeping without no do-rag, cause like I say, bro, I like when my dreads look kind of fuzzy. You know what I'm saying? I used to like that. Now it don't really matter to me. I like any style that I'm rocking, bro. I'm liking. You get what I'm saying? Anytime, I don't care if I just got a retwist, I'ma rock it. If I'm sitting on 3 to 4 months of new growth, I'ma rock it. You get what I'm saying? So that's with me. You feel me? Alright, the next one is be careful with your pillowcase. Alright, and this is gonna sound funny as shit. Pillowcase, whatever. But look, bro, if you're sleeping on the pillowcase, so be careful with your sheets, period. Be careful with your pillow. Be careful with all this shit, period. Because make sure that you're checking like your back dreads and looking at your back dreads. You don't even gotta check them. Just look at them motherfuckers. If they haven't like lint, like sometimes in my videos, you'll see lint like hanging off my hair. That probably came from my pillowcase or my pillow or my sheets. You get what I'm saying? So make sure y'all doing right with y'all pillowcases and y'all sheets. Y'all ain't gotta do right by them. Just check, just look at your dreads, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just look at your dreads, see if them bitches still sticking or what's it called or whatever. Another thing that I used to tell people that, but back then I was at about like 6 months or some shit like that. So, I could sleep with rubber bands in my head, but my next thing is don't sleep with rubber bands in your head. Cause I feel like even with me, bro, I would think like sleeping with rubber bands in your head like this is gonna pull your hair and it's gonna make your hair stretch longer. I even said that in one video, but at the same time, bro, it ain't even worth all that. You feel me? Because when you pulling your hair, right, your roots are becoming thinner. You feel me? And I just found that out going through the process. You dig what I'm saying? So, like, don't pull your hair. Don't do none of this shit, man. Just let your shit grow. Put on your do-rag at nighttime and let your shit grow. Don't be. If your dreads, if your twist, if your freeform are like this, and like, you know, some people, they afro, they freeform dreads, right? When they go to sleep on it, they should be flat in the back. Yeah, y'all niggas probably gonna need like a rubber band or two, like, you know what I'm saying? But make sure when you don't wear no rubber band, bro. Get a hairband, and the hairband might pop off. But the hairband is better than a rubber band because the rubber band is actually gonna pull. It's actually gonna pull in your hair as well. You feel me? So that should be. You can kind of tell it, like if you take a rubber band and you go like this, that should pull on your arm hair. You feel me? So that's what this shit doing with this right here. Oh yeah, I want to also tell y'all, like I forgot to tell y'all, wearing no do rag, that shit really comes with like that. It make your hair more fuzzy, it make your roots more fuzzy. You know what I'm saying? It got like a lot of stuff to do with it. But I understood the look. I understood everything that I was doing. You understand what I'm saying? Except for the rubber band shit. I did not understand that if you put your hair like this, that shit be pulling on your roots and shit like that. I think somebody back then told me, and I had stopped doing it back then, I think. But man, I ain't did that shit in so long, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas be, I don't know, y'all be commenting at the same time. Y'all be like, bro, like, y'all be trying to have conversations in the comment section. I love conversations in the comment section. But y'all be texting me on Instagram. I be like, look, bro, if y'all want to have conversations about this shit, we can, bro. First link in the description. Go purchase that Dread Talk, $5 a month. That's all it is, bro. That's all it's $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. I was gonna make this like 8 minutes long, but it's like, man, fuck it. Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.